Hello friends, good evening. Welcome to my channel, Belagali's class, Belagali's class. My friends, once again I have started with what? According to the need of what? Your exam in 2020-21. Your question paper is full of multiple choice questions, MCQs. Then from yesterday I have started with what? Trigonometry. I explained everything yesterday by taking 5-10 minutes. I've spoken about what everything my friends. So in this trigonometry I have divided the examples into 3-4 part sections. The first part, examples, my friends, here it is. This is multiple choice questions, multiple M, choice C, questions Q. In brief, they are called as MCQ questions, means MCQs. First started with the trigonometry. My always hit is trigonometry. I told my friends, it is a branch, it is there for everyone. It is a source actually for the future mathematics. Therefore, started with once again trigonometry. That to examples or questions, you can say examples or questions based on trigonometric ratios first. Then I told examples based on complementary functions or complementary trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Then values, special angles. Then trigonometric identities. These are the 4. Then applications, my friends. That to there you get angle of elevation, angle of depression, heights and distances, my friends. Very few questions. In the model question paper 1, no example. Even model question paper 2, they consider very rare case of what? These applications. I told in trigonometry you get 5 examples, 5 questions, my friends. 5 questions, trigonometry. This is one part. Yesterday I have started basics about the concepts. I made it clear. After explaining the concepts of what? This trigonometric ratios, I have started with examples. Yesterday, I think I might have done 11 examples. Therefore, today I have started with what? Example number 12. These 4 examples slightly different. Yesterday, they are all direct examples, my friends. If any friend wanted a little change, he may give these such examples. Yes. Example 12. In the figure, the value of sin C is dash. These are the options. First option A, I have not written that. A, B, C, D. Understood? First is A, second is B, third is C, fourth is D. A, 2 by root 3. B, root 3 by 2. C, 1 by 2. D is 1. This is the figure, my friends. It is all given. Triangle ABC, this is 90 degrees at B. Hypotenuse is 2. Opposite to C is what? 1. And adjacent to C is root 2. You wanted sin C. If you wanted this, I will explain once again, my friends. This is the basic. Your friend, right angled triangle, 90 degrees. I have taken angle theta, reference angle. With respect to theta, this is opposite side. AB is opposite side. Anyway, we have drawn perpendicular. It is opposite side, otherwise perpendicular. What is this BC? Adjacent to theta, it is attached with theta. The name of this BC is adjacent side. Another name, base side. That base I have denoted by the letter B. What is this AC? Opposite to 90 degrees. Opposite to 90 degrees is called as hypotenuse. That hypotenuse I have written in brief as what, my friends? This is H. This is hypotenuse. Yes, my friend. Opposite or perpendicular P, reference with theta. Adjacent or base B. Opposite to 90 is H. Sine, opposite side upon hypotenuse or perpendicular upon hypotenuse, P upon H. Cos, It is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. That adjacent side, another name is B, base. Base upon H, B upon H. Tan theta definition. This is opposite side upon adjacent, or it is perpendicular upon base, that is P upon base. Sin P upon H, cos B upon H, tan perpendicular, that is B, P upon B. Then cosec next. If you do the reciprocal of this, H upon P, that ratio name cosecant, cosec. H upon B, secant, sec. B upon P, it is cot, cotangent. 1, 2, 3. These three are their reciprocals. 4, 5, 6. These are 6 trigonometric ratios. 6 trigonometric ratios, my friends. Ratios. Then, to save the time, this list is very important, my friends. You must remember. If you wanted a number more to score 90%, more than 90%, 100%, you must do the efforts. These are called as Pythagoras triplets or Pythagorean numbers. 3, 4, 5, they satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. 5, 12, 13, 6, 8, 10, 8, 15, 17, 7, 24, 25, 15, 20, 25. These are known as Pythagoras triplets or Pythagorean numbers, my friends. If you remember these, you can save the time, especially in multiple choice questions. Once again, I want to remind my friends, three subjects they have combined. Paper 1, in which you know mathematics, science plus social studies. 3 subjects. In each subject, 40, 40, 40. 120 questions. How many hours? 3 hours. 3 into 60, 180 minutes. 120 questions, 180 minutes. If you go with the 2 minutes, 120 into 2 is 240. That will be more than 180. Then you never have 2 minutes per example. Then you can have 1 minute, one example, little some seconds, my friends. In that capacity, in that way, you must prepare for the exam. Quickness is very important. Very important. Therefore, I tell, remember, time-saving methods. You have to save the time and you have to do what? More number of examples. My friends, remember, time-saving results. These are time-saving Pythagorean numbers. Remember these, my friends. Telling with this background, I will go with what? The 12th example. This. In this figure, this is the figure, my friend. This is the figure, triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, B is 90 degrees. Hypotenuse given is 2. This is BC, root 3. AB, 1. You wanted the sine C. What is sine C? Opposite of C upon hypotenuse. What is opposite of C? 1. What is hypotenuse? 1 by 2. Direct answer. This is all, my friends, drama. But you wanted what? Time saving. No need of writing all these things. You must be perfect. Sine means opposite to the angle divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is a side which is opposite to 90 degrees. Direct sine C I write here with a colored chalk. What is it? Sine opposite C opposite 1. Hypotenuse 2. Direct 1 by 2 that. Even the intelligent friend direct here. Opposite is 1. That 1 is in only one option in the C. Even there is nothing. Yes. Denominator is what? 2. 1 by 2. Directly you mark it. Nothing to be written on the paper. This much you must practice, my friends. This is for the main exam. This colored what I have written is for this. What is that? Multiple choice questions. I hope it is understood. Next example, my friend, example number 13. In the given figure, this is the figure C. What is given? ABC is a triangle in which angle P is 90 degrees. Then it is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 5. This side is 4, AB. This side is 3. Then you wanted the values of sin x plus sin theta. Sin x plus sin theta. Sin theta. My friends, first I have given what? The method. There are some students, we must make it clear. Sin x, x is here. Opposite side is BC, opposite to x, upon hypotenuse. What is opposite? 3 by 5. Cos theta, this is theta. Cos means what? Adjacent side BC, BC upon hypotenuse. AC, AC. Direct, what is it? 3 by 5. 3 by 5 plus 3 by 5. Sin x plus cos theta. This is 3 by 5. Cos theta is 3 by 5. 3 by 5 plus 3 by 5. What is the LCM is 5. What is numerator? 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 upon 5. This is your answer. Answer is option A. Option A. This answer, my friends. This is a drama. This is for your sake. Direct, my friend. Here you have to write figure. You write below the figure itself. Sin x. Sin x. Opposite side upon hypotenuse plus cos theta adjacent side 3 upon 5. What is this? 5 is LCM. 3 plus 3 6. See, the time taken in writing all these steps, compare the time taken in writing only this, my friends. Even don't write 6 by 5. It is known. What is numerator? 6. What is denominator? LCM is 5. 6 by 5. Directly you mark it, my friends. Directly you mark it. This is C in this case. C in this. I hope. Very well remember. I have written with a colored chalk piece. Direct method. Time saving method. This is method. Time is not considered. You must. Everything is clear here. I have written everything. Example number 13, my friends. This is example number 14. In triangle ABC, right angled at B, if AC is 17, BC is 8, then the value of 15 sec A plus 8 cosec A, 15 sec A plus 8 cosec A is dash. Last 2-3 examples, my friends, I have taken a little bit lengthy, but they are not lengthy. I will show it. They are not lengthy. Yes, you wanted this. In the triangle ABC, right angle at B, AC is 17, then BC is 8, 17 and 8. Then you wanted the value of sec and cosec. What is sec? Hypotenuse upon, it is connected with, my friends, angle A, mark it. Connected with angle A, mark it. A. To A, this is opposite side. This is adjacent side. This is hypotenuse. My friend, 17 and 8 are given. 17 and 8 are given. If you remember what, my friends, this Pythagorean numbers, directly you can write what? The remaining side is 15. Otherwise, you have to go for what? Circus. What is the circus? 17 square minus 8 square. 289 minus 64. 225. Square root of 225 is what? 15. If you remember it, direct, my friend. This is 15. Yes. 15 sec A. 15 sec A. What is sec? Hypotenuse upon adjacent side. It is 15. It is 17 upon 15. Plus, I have written here, my friends, this. Plus 8 into cosec, once again, hypotenuse upon opposite side, 8. 15 cancels, 8 cancels, you get what? 17 plus 17 is what? 34. Numerator is, answer is 34. If the friend is very intelligent, all the while his brain is so sharp. In both the cases, my friends, sec and cosec, what is the numerator? Numerator is hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? 17. Cosec 17. Sec 17. What is 17 plus 17? 34. See, look at the option. 34 is there, my friend. Here also by doing all these things you get the same. Same, I have written in brief. Sec cosec contains what? Hypotenuse, which is 17. Therefore, sec plus cosec, 17 plus 17 is 34. Time saving approach. Time saving approach. If it is not clear, this is the method, my friends. This is the method. Oh, understood. This 15 time saving, if you remember those Pythagorean numbers. Pythagorean numbers. Yes, my friends. This is for DIY. 15th example. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90. If AB is 24, BC is 7, then we wanted tan A plus cot C. The friend is considered both the angles. Tan A plus cot C. Yes. Tan and cot. Is it necessary this hypotenuse? I told my friends you must be very, very sharp, especially in doing examples of what? Multiplicative choice questions, MCQs. Brain must be very sharp, very, very quick also, my friend. Tan and cot, never considered hypotenuse. In case of tan, what is it? Opposite upon adjacent. What is cot? Adjacent upon opposite. No connection of cot. This hypotenuse. Don't spend your time. Don't waste your time in writing the hypotenuse. No need here. What is this? Tan A plus cot C. What is tan A? This is A. What is this? This is, my friend, opposite upon adjacent. Opposite upon adjacent plus. What is cot C? Adjacent upon opposite. Cot C is, it is adjacent upon opposite. Then what is the answer? 14 upon 24. 14 upon 24. If you simplify 14 upon 24, what is the answer, my friend? 7 upon 12. 7 upon 12 is the answer. Like this, my friends, the examiners helps you, especially in case of multiple choice questions. They look big, but they are very simple. See, tan and cot, what is there? What is there, my friends? No hypotenuse. Just if you write one is 7 by 24, what is other? See, this is with cos. Cot C. Cot is adjacent upon opposite. This addition. 14 upon 24. 14 upon 24 is what? 7 by 12 is the answer, my friend. These are nearly, I have done 15 examples based on trigonometric ratios, my friends. Based on trigonometric ratios. Next, I do some another 10-12 examples based on trigonometric ratios of what? Complementary angles. I will tell in brief because that is the chapter already I have done. See my videos. I have done in detail. I have done all examples given in your textbook, CBSE book. Even I have referred NCERT book also. Given the notes there. Videos are there in the YouTube. Just if you wanted Belagali's classes, you can get them. They are also very neatly, systematically arranged, chapter wise. Starts with trigonometry, next chapter like that. Please refer them. If you wanted anything in detail after. Yes, my friends. Once again, I will explain in case of what? Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. I will just give the synopsis. Directly I do some examples. Again, 10 to 12 examples on complementary angles. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. See my friends, 1 minute time. Yes, my friends. Now I will explain the second type of examples. This is Second type, first type on trigonometric ratios. I have done 15 examples on that. These are the examples based on trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Complementary angles. Just brief, I have given the synopsis. This part is everything is synopsis. Two angles are said to be complementary. I have not written said to be here because of space. Two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degrees. If their sum is 90 degrees. Therefore, this pair of angles, pair of angles, namely, first set, 90 minus theta and theta, you add them. Minus theta cancels with plus theta gives 90. Sum is 90. Second set, add them. 1 plus 9, 10. 6 plus 3, 90. Again, 31 and 59. They are the complementary angles because their sum is 90 degrees. This is, my friend, 22 and 68. Same, 90 degrees. 90 degrees. 5. 70 plus 20, 90. All such angles are said to be what, my friends? Complementary angles. Complementary angles. Now, while doing the theory part of it, we have shown what? So that's why I've written here, we know that because already we have done in detail everything with what? Earlier videos. Please refer my trigonometry videos. They are available in YouTube. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Tell my friends, what is your observation? In case of complementary angles, what is your observation? Sin changes to cos, cos changes to sin. I have written here. In case of complementary angles, some of the angles is 90 degrees, some of the angles is 90 degrees. In that case, sin changes to cos. Sin symbolic S. S changes to C, cos. Again, cos changes to sin. I've done it reverse. Cos changes to sin. So, sin to cos, cos to sin. Similarly, second pair, tan to cot. Don't read on cos. It is cot, my friend. Tan to cot, cot to tan. Sec to cosec, sec to cosec, and cosec to sec, cosec to sec. Then these three pair of trigonometric ratios, sin and cos, tan and cot, sec and cosec. In general, their name is what? Co-trigonometric ratios. Here also, the mathematicians find the relation like our relations. You know it. Co-brothers, co-sisters, like that. These are known as co-trigonometric ratios. But here we refer as what? They are complementary functions. Sin, cos, complementary functions. Tan, cot, complementary functions. And sec and cosec, complementary functions. It is all because of our multiple choice questions this year, for this year. Yes, my friends. Yes, my friends. These are called as what? Sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Complementary functions, otherwise co-trigonometric ratios to one another. Co-trigonometric ratio of sin is cos, cos is sin, tan is cot, cot is tan, sec is cosec, cosec is sec. From this, what is clear, my friend? Now, you know sin to cos. You know sin to cos. You know again here sin to cos. Just, my friend, to change from sin to cos, to change from, I refer like this, reference here, to change from sin to cos or cos to sin, like this, my friend, it is cos to sin above. From here to here, here to here, what is your observation? Theta is replaced by 90 minus this theta. If it is theta, 90 minus theta. If it is A, 90 minus A. If it is 20 degrees, 90 minus 20 degrees. If it is 40 degrees, 90 minus 40 degrees. Therefore, my friends, one very, very useful result in multiple choice questions, MCQs, that very important is what? In changing, if you change from sine to cos, replace the angle in LHS or given angle to 90 minus angle. In changing from cos to sine, similarly tan to cot, cot to tan, sec to cosec, cosec to sec. In changing from one to another complementary function or co-trigonometric ratios, replace the given angle by 90 is fixed, my friend. 90 minus that given angle. I have written the same here. Therefore, to write from sine to cos, cos to sine, replace given angle by 90 minus the angle. Given angle by 90 minus the angle. Here, what is the given angle? Theta, replaced by 90 minus theta, from this to this. Theta, 90 minus theta. I hope understood, my friends. So, what is your check? It is possible only in sine cos, not sine with tan. But tan is with cot, replace. Sec is with cosec, replace. But not sine with cosec or cos with sec. No. Remember, this is one very important step, my friends. One very important step. What is that step? In case of complementary functions or co-trigonometric ratios, to change from sine to cos or cos to sine, this replace the given angle by 90 minus the angle. Given angle by 90 minus the angle. Even you can replace this angle by 90 minus angle. This is 90 minus theta. Why? Sine cos, co-trigonometric ratios. Replace this angle by 90 minus the angle. What is this, my friend? This is 90 minus 90. Minus of minus is plus theta. What is this? Theta. Therefore, 90 minus the angle. 90 minus the angle. Remember, this is one reason. Second, again we know that. What is it? Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Bring this down. Therefore, this upon cos theta is 1. If you put 90 minus theta equal to A and theta equal to B, then what is sum A plus B? A plus B is 90 minus theta plus theta, which is 90. Then A and B are complementary angles. And what about sine and cos? They are complementary functions. What about angles? They are complementary angles. Complementary functions, complementary angles. In that case, ratio of them, it is sine with cos only or cos with sine, anything. Either sine upon cos or cos upon sine is 1. Similarly, in case of what? It is, my friend, tan upon cot or cot upon tan is 1. What is next? It is sec upon cosec. It is also 1. Therefore, these two must be complementary functions, and sum of the angles, my friend, see, sum of the angles must be 90. In that case, this ratio you can write directly 1. This is time saving result, my friends. Time saving. Same thing. I have written A plus B is 90 degrees, A and B are complementary. Thus, we have, if trigonometric ratios are complementary or co-trigonometric ratios, and sum of the given angles is 90 degrees, then the ratio of those two trigonometric ratios, sine cos, cos sine, tan cot, cot tan, like that, is 1. Instead of that, if it is a difference, 1 minus the other, this is one trigonometric ratio minus another trigonometric ratio, this difference is 0. Sometimes first term product, again difference, second term product. Product and difference is also 0. But in case of product, it is a product of the terms containing only tan, not sine cos, only tan, only cot, any number of, but in that case, saying what? Only tan, only cot, but the sum of pair of angles must be 90. Sum of pair of angles must be 90. Even in this case is also what? Equal to 1. Just I will do examples based on this results, my friends. Time saving results. These are time saving results, my friends. TSR. Yes, my friends. Now I do the examples. Remember complementary or co-trigonometric ratios. What is the pair? Sine, cos, cos, sine, tan, cot, cot, tan, sec, cosec, cosec, sec. First observation. What is second observation? Sum of the angles must be 90. Second observation. Sum of the angles must be 90. If both satisfies co-trigonometric, sum of the angles is 90, then if it is a ratio like this, my friend, sine upon cos with angle, sine A upon cos A, it is A and B are angle, then I write here, then sine A upon cos B equal to 1, or even in case of what, tan A upon cot B, it is also 1, my friends. In this case, it must be sine cos, then A plus B must be 90, A plus B must be 90, then ratio of these two angles A and B, sine A upon cos B or cos A upon sine B, tan upon cot or sec upon cosec, directly you can write their values as what, my friends? 1. Then I do some verifications, examples. Remember, my friends, this is the result. Synopsis. These are time-saving results. Time-saving synopsis. Now, example number 1. The value of sine 18 upon cos 72. Sine 18 upon cos 72 equal to dash. These are the options. A. B is 1. C is 2. D is 3. Now, what is the method, my friend? This is the method. Sine 18 upon cos 72. Convert any one. Either convert sine, cos, keep cos as it is. Keep sine as it is, change cos to sine. What I have done here? I have changed from sine to cos. What your method says, replace the angle by 90 minus the angle. If you change from sine to cos, replace the angle by 90 minus angle. This is as it is, cos 72. Simplify this. 90 minus 18 is 72. Cos 72 upon 72 is what? 1. If you remember this, I have written for your sake. No, not necessary. Complementary. What is the sum? 90. What is the answer? Directly 1. Without writing on a paper, you can mark your answer. No need to what? No need to what? Write anything on the paper. This way of answering is known as time saving. This needs in case of what? Multiple choice questions. 5. 1 minute, one question. Even if don't write one, you just directly mark what? This B. Circle is there. This circle is there. Just you enclose it like this. Enclose this circle. This is B. Enclose this circle, my friend. Finished. This is the answer. OMR sheet, enclose it. Next, second, these are the observations I have written for this. Hence, the remaining examples I am not going to write. The value of tan 26 upon cot 64. What about tan and cot? Complementary. What about 26 plus 64? 10. 7 plus 2, 90. Verified. Complementary angles. What is the answer, my friend? Answer is A. Yes, this A you must mark it, that's all. Save it. A. Same here, down. This sum. Complementary. What is the sum? 51 plus 9, 60 plus 30, 90. Sec and cosec, complementary. What is the sum? Here itself you can add them. 2 plus 8 is 10. 7 plus 2 is 90. 90, complementary. What is the value? 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Then what is the answer, my friend? C. Answer is C. 1 plus 1, 2. Answer is C. I have shown these examples. I verified what? This first result. Then if they are complementary, sum of the angles is 90. Write directly the answer 1. time saving result. I give 1 minute, copy it. Yes, my friends, I go with next type. Difference is 0 when both must be complementary. Sum of angles must be 90 in case of difference is what? 0. Ratio is 1, difference is 0. I do examples. My friends, one more, they may give squares now to confuse you, squares. It is sin square theta upon cos square theta. Square must be same, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, otherwise no power, only sin cos. If they give square, there also. What about sin cos? Complementary functions. What about the sum of the angle is 90 degrees? Then what is the answer, my friends? A, 1. Answer is 1. Why? Ratio is 1. Then in the next example, I have considered difference here. The value of cos 48 minus sin 42 is dash. These are the options. First, I give the method as we have done, regular textbook method. Cos 48 minus sin 42. Change any one. I have changed from cos to sin. If you change from cos to sin, replace the angle by 90 minus the angle. Angle is 48. Replace 90 minus 48. You keep this as it is. Write sin 42 as it is. Sin. What is 90 minus 48 is 42. It is sin 42 minus sin 42 is what? 0. This is TSR, time saving result. Sin, cos, sin, complementary. 48 plus 42 is 90 degrees. Difference means what? 0. Here, see. Similarly, difference of 2 is 0. Two trigonometric ratios. Condition complementary and sum of angles must be 90 degrees. Then the difference is 0. Yes, directly, no method. Difference means directly we can mark the answer at 0, my friends. Without writing any single word, letter on the paper, you can mark it. Second, fifth example. The value of cosec 31 degrees minus sec 59 degrees. Cosec 31 minus sec 59 degrees. Cosec and sec, co-trigonometric ratios of complementary functions. What is 31 plus 59? 59 plus 1 is 60. 60 plus 30 is 90. Difference is 0, my friend. Difference is 0. Answer. Difference is 0. Similarly, one more. The value of tan theta minus cot 90 minus theta equal to dash. Tan and cot, co-trigonometric ratios are complementary functions. Theta plus 90 minus theta. What is the sum? Plus theta cancels with minus theta gives 90. Then what is the answer, my friend? Answer is A. This. Answer is A. You have to enclose the circle. In OMRC. I hope. Clear, my friends. So, in case of ratio is 1, if you see, directly write it. In case of difference is 0, like these examples, my friends, directly mark it 0. One more is there, product with difference. We have to see. I consider one more example. See. Yes, my friends. And the next example is this. The value of cos 38 into sin 52 minus, both are cos. Cos 38 into cos 52. This is sin 52 into sin 38. Sin 52 into sin 38 equal to dash. options 0, 1, 2, 3. This is your method. Both are cos, both are sine. Convert both cos to both sine. This is cos. Convert sine. Replace angle 38 by 98 minus 30. And change from cos to sine. Replace the angle 52 by 90 minus 52. This second term you write it as it is. What is this? Sine. 90 minus 38 is 52. 90 minus 52 is 38 minus sine 52 into sine 38. This cancels, my friends. Give 0. Therefore, the option A is the answer. Option A is the answer. The same thing you can go with what? Time saving result. Sine and cos. Sine and cos. Co-trigonometric ratios. What about the sum of the angles? 38 plus 52, 90. Cos sine, again complementary. What is the sum? Sum is 90 degrees. Therefore, directly the difference. Which difference, my friend? This difference. This difference says answer is here. Answer is here. So, my friends, remember what is your verifications? Complementary functions or trigonometric ratios. Sum of the angles must be 90 degrees. Ratio of 2, trigonometric ratios, 1. Difference of 2, 0. Product and difference is also 0. We have done verification. Last, in case of product of all the terms, product. That is true in case of what? Tan and cot. Tan and cot. Just I will show in this case, my friends. In this case. Now, I remove it. Yes, this is 7th example. Now it is 8. Now value of tan 1 degree into tan 89 degrees. Tan 89 degrees equal to dash. Yes, 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus. C equal to. I want to convert from tan to cot. Cot, what is it? 90 minus 1. This is, write it as it is. 89. This is cot 89 into tan 89. Reciprocal means what? Directly the value is 1. Otherwise, cot is 1 by tan into tan 89 is what? 1. 5 cancels. Therefore, in case of tan, what is the sum of the angles? 1 plus 89 is 90. Then the product is 1. Even the same in case of what? Cot. This is cot 40 degrees into cot 50 degrees equal to dash. Yes, convert. Cot to tan. What is it? 90 minus 40. You have changed from cot to tan. Replace your angle by 90 minus the angle. This you keep it as it is. 50 degrees. This is tan. What is it? 50 degrees. 90 minus 40. This is cot 50 degrees. Which is directly one tan into cot. Tan theta into cot theta. Otherwise, it is tan 50 into 1 by tan 50. What is the answer is 1. Therefore, in case of cot, if the sum of the angles is 90 degrees, what is the answer is 1. Here, in case of tan, both are tan. What is the sum of the angles? 1 plus 89 is 90. So the product is 1. Therefore, my friend, this is your CET questions. In general, the value of tan 1 degrees tan 2 degrees, tan 3 degrees, dash, 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 dash. And it is tan 88 into tan 89 equal to dash. 1, 2, 3, 0. Yes, 1 and 89. This is 1 plus 89, 90. 2 plus 88, 90. 3 plus 87, 90. In between you get one angle, it is tan 45. Tan 45 is 1. 1. Therefore, what is the answer, my friend? 1 plus 89 is 90. 2 plus 88 is 90, like this. And tan 45 is 1. Therefore, the answer is 1. Answer is 1. Which option? Option A. Option A, you have to enclose A. A. This one. Like this, like this. Another one is this is example number 8, this is 9, this is 10, this is 11. The value of cot 48 degrees, cot 23 degrees, cot 42 degrees, cot 67 degrees equal to dash. So, the answer is 1, 2, 0. None of these. Yes. Cot and tan product. What about 48 and 42? 48 plus 42 is 90 degrees. And 23 plus 67. 67, 70, 20, 90. Therefore, in case of tan or in case of cot, what is the answer? Answer is 1. So, option is A. Enclose. You must enclose correctly, not half. A. Yes. In all the 4 cases, my friend, complementary angles, very, very simple approach. Time saving results. Remember, the ratios must be complementary or co-trigonometric ratios both, and the sum of the angles must be 90 degrees. Therefore, if it is satisfied in this case, ratio is 1, difference 0 anywhere, this or that difference is 0, and product is also 1. Ratio is 1, product is 1. Difference is 0, and difference and product and difference is 0. Remember, my friends, these are one set of angles, one set of examples. Then one more is there on this. Yes, my friend. This I write now. Very, very simple example sometimes asked. The value of sine 90 minus theta is dash. These are the options, my friend. Direct, what is sine of 90 minus theta? 90 means sine changes to co-trigonometric ratios, my friend. Co-trigonometric. Sine 90 means it is what? Your complementary 90 minus theta. Sine changes to its co-trigonometric ratio. Therefore, the answer is what? B. Therefore, answer is B. Answer is B. Another one. Another one. In the figure, the value of sine 90 minus theta is dash. And these are the options: 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 4, and this is 5 by 3. 5 by 3. This is your figure, my friends. This is figure. Triangle ABC. Right angled at B. This is theta. This is given 8 centimeter. This is 10. This is 10. You wanted, what is sine 90 minus theta? What is this, my friend? Sine 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. What is cos theta? Side adjacent to theta upon hypotenuse. What is side adjacent to theta? Side attached with theta is 8. Hypotenuse 10. Simplification 4 by 5. 4 by 5, what is the answer there? Option B. Option B, my friends. This. Another one. My friends, few more examples. The next example is, if tan A equal to cot B, then the value of A plus B is dash. If tan A equal to cot B, the value of A plus B is dash. These are the options: 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 35 degrees. Given a direct method, this is not a TSR, direct method. Given tan A equal to cot B, change cot to tan. If we change from cot to tan, replace angle by 90 minus the angle. Replace angle by 90 minus the angle. Now tan both sides are same. Equate the angles. Tan same. Equate the angle. Angle in LHS equal to angle in RHS. Bring this side. A plus B is 90 degrees. Therefore, 90 means what is the answer? Answer is B, my friend. Answer is B. This is a TSR. Tan and cot, complementary functions. When they are complementary functions, some of the angles must be 90 degrees. What are the angles? A plus B is 90. Just, my friends, I have written for your sake. No need. Tan and cot, complementary. What is sum? A plus B is 90 degrees. Directly you can write this step. See, this from here up to this, directly only one step. Tan, cot, complementary. Yes. What is the sum of the angles? A plus B is 90 degrees. Mark the 90. This is times A. Times A. Next, if tan 2A equal to cot A minus 18, where 2A is an acute angle, then the value of A is dash. A is dash. This is the method. Again, for one more example, I have given. Tan 2A equal to cot. Convert tan to cot. 90 minus 2A. 90 minus 2A. Cot. Cot both sides. Equate angle in LHS equal to angle in RHS. Angle in LHS equal to angle in RHS. Simplify it. 90 plus 18 equal to A plus 2A. So 3A is 108. The value of A is 108 upon 3, which is 36 degrees. 36. This is TSR. T and C complementary. Sum is 90 degrees. What is the angle? First angle 2A plus second angle A minus 18 equal to 90. 3A is 90 plus 18 is 108. So the value of A is 36. See, 2 steps. This is your method lengthy. This is time saving result. Time saving result. Like that, my friend. Now I have used directly time saving only. Cosec 4A equal to cosec A minus 20. 4A is acute, then the value of A is sec and cosec complementary. Sum of the angles, yes. 4A plus A minus 20 equal to 90. 4A plus A, 5A, 90 plus 20, 110. A, 110 upon 22. This is 110 upon 22. 110 upon 5 is 5 into 2, 10. Again 5 into 2 is 10. It is 22 degrees, my friend. It is 22 degrees. 22 degrees. Which option is the answer? A is the option. 17. If sine x minus 20 equal to cos 3x minus 10, then the value of x is dash. Direct. Simply I have written complementary. Sine, cos, complementary. Sum of the angles, I have not written all these things. Some of the angles, no, I have not written directly sum. X minus 20 plus 3x minus 10 is 90 degrees. 4x. 90 minus 30 taking this side is plus 30. 120 degrees. So x is 120 upon 4 is 30 degrees. 30 degrees. All these direct. Another one or two direct, my friends. TSR result. It is also what, my friend? TSR result. Time saving result. This is also what? TSR result. Time saving. Time saving result. See. If cosec 3x minus 20 degrees equal to sec 3y plus 20, then the value of x plus y equal to dash. X plus y equal to dash. 20 degrees. Second option is 30 degrees. 40 degrees. 45 degrees. What about, my friends? Sec and cosec complementary. Sec and cosec, just write complementary. Complementary implies sum of the angles 3x minus 20 plus 3y plus 20 equal to 90 degrees. Plus 20 minus 23 is common. X plus y is 90 degrees. Therefore, x plus y is 90 upon 3 is 30 degrees. Actually, you must write direct. Don't spend time for writing 90 upon 3. When 3 is 90, what is x plus y? 30, directly you mark it. Directly mark it. If you write less number of steps, that is your correct answer. One more. This is 18. 19. If ABC are interior angles of a triangle, interior angles of a triangle ABC, Then the value of sine a plus b by 2 is a dash. These are the options. Sine c by 2, cos c by 2, tan c by 2, cot c by 2, cot c by 2. Yes, my friend. Interior angles of a triangle. Therefore, triangle property gives a plus b plus c is 180 degrees. You wanted only a plus b. A plus b is 180 minus c. You wanted division, divide. A plus b by 2. 180 by 2 minus c by 2. You wanted sine, therefore sine a plus b by 2. This side, sine 90 minus c by 2. 90 means the sign changes to cos, c by 2. Then which option, my friend? B option. B option. Similarly, tell my friend, what about sine and cos? Complementary functions, co-trigonometric ratios. If it is by 2 upon 2. If it is by 2 upon 2. Similarly, you can write what? Tan b plus c by 2. Tells. Co-trigonometric cot. Remaining angle A upon 2. Then you can write. If it is sec A plus C by 2, cosec B by 2, like that you can write, my friends. If this by 2 is not there, if by 2 is not there, by 2 is not there, okay, you are with by 2 only, yes. These are, my friends, around 17, 18 examples. These are the examples, objective type, multiple choice questions on complementary functions. Complementary functions. Now, my friends, it is left with examples on values, trigonometric ratios of 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 0 degrees. And finally, identities, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Okay, that we have to do. And some heights and distance, some very few examples, my friends. By taking another 1 or 2 class, I can able to finish what? This objective type or multiple choice questions on trigonometry. Then I do 2 or 3 videos with coordinate geometry. Distance formula, section formula, area formula, midpoint formula. I do some examples based on that. Till then, my friends, make them everything explained. They are all simple examples. Only one category is there, but to make it perfect, instead of doing 1 or 2 examples, I have considered the same type of examples little more. That is for your benefit sake. Yes, my friends. Thank you very much. Enough. Thank you very much, my friends. Prepare them nicely, saying Namaste, Namaskara, and Namashinya, my friends. Enjoy it. Bye. Goodbye.